Welcome to another Berger Bite.
Good afternoon. My name is James Carrott from Berger Commercial Realty. I'm here to talk to you today about the floating or rolling personal guarantee. Now, a regular personal guarantee is one in which you make a promise that if the corporation that signed the lease defaults on that lease, you are individually responsible for the remaining balance of the lease. Now, for a rolling or floating guarantee, this gives landlords and tenants another option when they're forming the lease. A rolling guarantee does not have to be for the full term of the lease, and it can be for only 1 year of the lease. So for instance, you can have a rolling 1-year guarantee on a 5-year lease. So for any 1 year of that 5-year lease, you would be responsible for that 1 year and that 1 year only. So say for instance, if you have a 5-year deal and after 3 years the tenant defaults, that tenant would only be responsible for 1 remaining year of that lease, not 2. Thank you.
Founded in 1998, Berger Commercial provides client-centric third-party brokerage, property management, and receivership services throughout the Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. Contact us to experience the power of market knowledge. For more Berger Bites, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.